हेलो हेमंत।
और तेरी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कैसी चल रही?
ठीक ही चल रही है, तेरी कैसी चल रही है?
अरे मेरा तो बेकार है यार। अब साइंस का एक तो पेपर है, भयंकर टेंशन हो रही है। और तूने कितना याद कर लिया?
मैंने बायोलॉजी और केमिस्ट्री कर ली, बट फिजिक्स तो सर के ऊपर है यार।
मेरा भी कुछ ऐसा ही हाल है। चल, पूरे दिन से पढ़ते पढ़ते बोर हो गए, कुछ क्रॉस क्वेश्चन ही कर लेते हैं।
हाँ।
बायो के फर्स्ट चैप्टर से स्टार्ट करें। द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, सेल। व्हाट इज सेल?
Cell is the fundamental and the structural unit of life. You know how many types of our cell?
Yeah, there are two types of cell, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. You know the difference between them?
Yes, I know the difference between them. Eukaryotic cells are prokaryotic cells are primitive cells and old cells. Eukaryotic cells are new cells and advanced cells. The examples of prokaryotic cells are cyanobacteria and bacteria. The examples of eukaryotic cells are human cell and plant cell. You know cell theory?
Yeah, there are 4 points in cell theory. First is every living organism is made of cell. Second is cell is a functional and structural unit of life. And third is every cell rising from a pre-existing cell. And fourth and last is every life is start from a single cell. You know the function of nucleus?
Yes, I know the functions of nucleus. Nucleus control all metabolic reaction in cell. It is also known as the control center of cell, and it is known as the brain of cell. You know the nature and occurrence of nucleus?
Yeah, I know very well. It is spherical, large and centrally located. It is absent in prokaryotic and present in eukaryotic. बहुत पढ़ लिया यार, चल मैं फिजिक्स का पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ।
चल बाय।